How to execute pending orders, limit or stop on Forex.com. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Forex.com app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now you need to open up a chart for your desired currency pair. Head over to that chart. Next up, you need to open up the trade ticket window. For that, you can select this buy option in the top. Over here, after you mention the trade size, you can enter your desired stop loss and take profit levels. You can enable them. You can use pip measurements or price values based on your risk reward strategy. You can also set the order to expire at a certain date or time if the market doesn't hit your level. Pending orders such as stops and limits can be executed end of day or good till cancelled. End of day orders automatically expire at 5 p.m. on the same day. Good till cancel orders do not expire at all. You can double check everything, and after that you can tap on place order. Your pending trade will now wait for price to trigger it automatically. So that's how you can easily execute pending orders on Forex.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.